This is day 2 of testing recipes for my restaurant, and today I'm making Babar's pasta for a party. For those who don't know, this is the most famous pasta dish of Karachi served at Xander's restaurant. And I actually shared the recipe a few months ago and the reviews were insane. Faiza said that I just made it and oh my god, it is indeed the exact replica of Babar's pasta. Safiya said that I can say this with my hand on my heart that this recipe tastes exactly like Xander's. Sara said best pasta ever, I've made it 3 times this Ramadan, my kids love it, I love it, my husband loves it. Sirtar said it was 98% close, 2 marks deducted because I didn't have sun-dried tomatoes. But why are you cutting my marks? I put those in the recipe. I'm kidding, thank you so much for the reviews. So yeah, you get it, this recipe is really good. I've shared everything in the caption, but to brief it up, you'll start off by cooking your chicken and bacon, then you will make the tomato sauce followed by the white sauce and then mix everything together. Oh my god, how good does that look? And magic, I'm ready for the party and so is my big penda of Babar's pasta. Garnish it with basil or parsley and more sun-dried tomatoes and serve hot. This pasta is spicy, creamy, super satisfying and ticks all the boxes.